So the human brain is sometimes capable of the so-called aha experience, and this is when you suddenly realize something, like in a black and white hidden figure. You try to see what's inside, and you suddenly realize, oh, there's a rabbit or there's a cow, and that's called an aha experience. And when that happens, research has shown that the neurons in your brain uh, gets activated in a synchronous way for a really brief period of time, like zero point 0.1 second. And you know, during that time window, the normal processing of information in the brain holds, and a large portion of the brain is devoted to processing of that specific information that is relevant to your realization of something hidden. So it's like the brain goes into a blink state, and it stops all the normal, typical information processing and devote its resources to the handling of this really important and relevant new information, so that the traces of the memory would be solidified on that spot. And that is when the brain goes into a totally new world, because it has realized something that has not been realized before. And on top of that new knowledge, the brain can see the world in a totally different way. So this aha experience, or the really brief synchronization of neural firings in the brain, is a way for the brain to realize really creative information processing by halting the normal information processing for a brief period of time. So that's how the brain learns new things and solidifies it in an instantaneous manner, which is a really great, ingenuity of the brain.